Isang magandang araw na naman sa ating lahat, and for today's video lesson, we will talk about combined variation. At the end of this video lesson, you will be able to illustrate situations that involves combined variation. Translate into variation statement in relationship involving combined variation between two quantities given by a mathematical equation and vice versa. And solve problems involving combined variation. Kapag pinag-uusapan natin ang combined variation, from the word itself, combined, so pinagsama siyang direct variation and inverse variation. So yung example natin na statement is Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y. So inuulit ko, pinagsamang direct variation and inverse. So based sa ating statement, ang magiging formula natin is Z is equal to Kx over Y. Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y. So ito pa yung isang formula whenever we find K, or ito na yung gagamitin natin. So we will derive na lang on how to find yung unknown natin, where K is the constant of variation. So palagi kapag variation, K yung constant natin. Example number 1, Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y. And Z is equal to 9 when X is equal to 6 and Y is equal to 2. Find Z when X is equal to 8 and Y is equal to 12. So based sa statement natin dun sa ating problem, Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y. Ang magiging formula natin is Z is equal to Kx over Y. Z varies directly as X and inversely as Y. Next step is we will use substitution using our given. So Z is equal to Kx over Y. Z is 9, X is 6, and then Y is 2. Next, si 2 mapupunta kay 9, cross multiplication tayo. 2 times 9 is equal to 6K. 6 times K is 6K. Next, 2 times 9 is 18. And then para makancel yung kasamang numerical coefficient ng K is we will divide both sides by 6. So 18 over 6 is 3. So the value of K is 3. Next step is using the value of K dun sa ating unang equation is we will find the unknown dun sa pangalawang given natin, which is Z is unknown. X is 8 and Y is equal to 12. Substitute natin. Z is unknown is equal to K is 3, yung nakuha natin kanina, times 8 over Y, which is 12. 3 times 8 is 24. Z is equal to 24 over 12. And then kapag divide natin yan, Z is equal to 2. So our final answer is Z is equal to 2. So we have example number 2, and it is all about real life problems. The current, or I, varies directly as the electromotive force, E, and inversely as the resistance, R. If in a system, a current of 20 amperes flows through a resistance of 20 ohms with an electromotive force of 100 volts. Find the current that 150 volts will send through the system. So ang hinahanap natin dito is yung current, which is yung I natin. So yung I natin siya si current, and then E yung electromotive force, and R si resistance. So based sa ating problem, yung statement natin is the current I varies directly as the electromotive force, which is E, and inversely as the resistance, or R. So ito yung magiging formula natin. I is equal to Ke over R. I varies directly as E and inversely as R. So ang gagawin natin dito is kukunin muna natin yung value ng K natin para mahanap yung unknown. So using yung mga unang given natin, which are I is 20, is 100, and R is 20. So using our formula, substitute lang natin 20, which is I is equal to K, times 100 over 20. Next, cross multiplication tayo. Si 20 mapupunta kay 20. 20 times 20 is equal to 100K. 100 times K is 100K. Next, 20 times 20 is 400. 400 is equal to 100K. Divide both sides by 100 para makancel. So 400 over 100 is 4. So meron na tayong value ng K, which is 4. Next step is, kung mapapansin nyo sa problem natin is, yung pangalawang given natin is isa lang siya, which is yung 150 lang. So kapag ganon, kung i-analyze nyo yung problem, gagamitin ulit natin yung value ng resistance natin, which is yung 20. So, same yung gagamitin natin sa R. Ang magbabago lang is yung E natin, which is 150. Next, same process, substitute natin. I is unknown, so K is 4, yung nakuha natin kanina, times 150 over R, which is 20. 4 times 150 is 600 over 20. Then, if we divide it, yung final answer natin sa I is equal to 30. That ends our video lesson for today. Maraming salamat and God bless us.